The Enchanted Adventure of King Leo and Queen Isabella. Once upon a time in the magical kingdom of Eldoria, lived a brave and wise king named Leo and a kind and compassionate queen named Isabella. Their kingdom was known for its lush landscapes, colorful creatures, and sparkling waters. King Leo was known for his great wisdom, and Queen Isabella was admired for her generous heart. One day, a mischievous sorcerer named Zephyr arrived in Eldoria, seeking to steal its treasures and power. Zephyr cast a spell that plunged the kingdom into darkness, and the once vibrant lands turned grey and lifeless. King Leo and Queen Isabella were determined to restore their kingdom's beauty and joy. With their loyal companion, a talking squirrel named Nutmeg, the king and queen embarked on a quest to find the legendary Crystal of Radiance. Legend had it that the crystal,